Wait until you hear what I'm about to say. It will change everything you thought you knew about XRP and what it can do. We have huge news that could send XRP to $100 overnight. Ripple just filed a secret paper. This is very important. You did hear that right. The IPO of Ripple is coming up and millions of new XRP riches will be made. Think about what could happen. Is this good or bad for the future of XRP? What will happen with this IPO in the long run? Watch out. Let's break it all down and show you why XRP is about to become very valuable and important. Let's get to the point. Behind the scenes, Ripple has been working on a very important project, a huge IPO that could change everything about Bitcoin. Let's explain what an IPO is, if you don't know what it is. IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. This is when a private company decides to go public and let regular people buy shares. But the IPO for Ripple might be different. This could be the thing that makes the price of XRP go through the roof. This is why it has been said that Ripple is worth about $15 billion. There is $15 billion. With that kind of value, it's not a surprise that Ripple wants to go public. They have big partnerships with banks, a product called XRP that works, and a global infrastructure that's already set up and ready to go for real-world use cases. Imagine that the crypto space's dark horse finally came out in the open. That could have a huge effect on XRP. Let's look at the start of Coinbase, which was another well-known crypto IPO and a huge deal in the financial world. The whole world held their breath when Coinbase went public, ready to see how the market would respond. When Coinbase went public, people who owned Ethereum could buy shares in the company. They took advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime chance. Those who did something made a lot of money because the price of Coinbase shares went through the roof. What do you know? There's going to be another chance. People who own XRP might get the same care and possibly get the same benefits. A lot of people in the crypto community are excited about the news that Ripple plans to give people who own XRP access to their shares when they go public. For people who own XRP right now, this means that they might be able to buy shares in Ripple once it goes public, which is a very exciting thought. There are also estimates that you won't believe about how much those shares might be worth. The possibilities are huge. When Coinbase went public, people who owned Ethereum were in the right place at the right time and made a lot of money. Now, Ripple's IPO could make it possible for people who own XRP to do the same. You could be sitting on a gold mine if the price of XRP keeps going in the same direction. Because of Ripple's IPO, there will be one of the biggest wealth exchanges in the history of crypto, and people who own XRP will gain a lot. A big supply shock, on the other hand, could change everything. If Ripple's IPO does happen, it's possible that a lot of institutions will buy XRP. Why? A lot of people will want to buy Ripple IPO shares because institutions will need XRP to do so. In that case, XRP will likely become very hard to find, which is when things really start to get interesting. Take a look at this. If banks are buying XRP in droves to get in on Ripple's IPO, the supply of XRP on exchanges will quickly run out. The price of XRP goes up as more of it is bought. There isn't enough to meet everyone's needs. When XRP is taken off of platforms, the price could reach unimaginable heights. Let's talk about something very interesting now. Some people in the know already think that XRP could go up to $100 after Ripple's IPO. That may seem unlikely, but the fact that so much institutional money is coming into XRP makes it possible. Check out this price chart that was leaked by experts who have been keeping a close eye on how the price of XRP might change. We think that XRP could reach $100 per coin very quickly if Ripple's IPO goes as planned. Now look at this chart. It shows a clear upward trend, and experts think that $100 per XRP is a real chance once Ripple's IPO starts. It's not just a guess. There's data to back up the idea that demand will push the price of XRP into new territory. But now comes the important part. When Ripple's IPO goes live, XRP will no longer be available on platforms. What will happen? It's possible that XRP will become so hard to find that it will no longer be available on any retail trading sites. If someone hasn't already taken their place, it's game over when that happens. Let me explain it to you. The Welsh government will buy up all the XRP on markets as soon as Ripple's IPO goes public. The price of XRP will only go up after they're all gone, so if you don't stay by then, you might miss out. Because of this, now is the time to really protect your XRP. This is your last chance to buy before the price goes through the roof once it's taken off the markets. This is a good time to take a step back and think about what Ripple's IPO really means. It's not just about XRP getting public. This is about how the whole banking system will change. Ripple's goal has always been to make it easier, faster, and cheaper to send money across borders. The technology that Ripple makes is already being used by big banks all over the world. Some of the biggest names in finance like Santander PNC and SBI Holdings have teamed up with Ripple. Their on-demand funding product is being used in markets around the world, and these two deals are just the start. When Ripple's IPO starts, XRP will be even more integrated into the world's banking system. Now things really start to get interesting. Let's look at the big picture now. How will Ripple's IPO and the possible price rise of XRP make you a millionaire? So long as you've kept your XRP, you're already ahead of the game. You could get a lot of money back on your investment when Ripple goes public and XRP hits $100. You could be one of the first people to see how cryptocurrency will change the world. Now is your chance. People who own XRP have seen many ups and downs, but this could be the turning point. With Ripple's IPO coming up soon, there is a huge chance to get rich. When Ripple goes public and the price of XRP goes through the roof, the early adopters will be the ones enjoying their huge gains. So what do you think will happen with Ripple and XRP? Are you ready for Ripple's IPO, which will make people who own XRP millionaires? This might change everything. When the IPO starts, how high do you think XRP will go? There are a lot of options. Leave your thoughts in the box below. We look forward to hearing from you. What you think will happen next, what you want to know, and how excited you are about it. Your ideas are important. Please like, subscribe, and share this movie with other people who own XRP. Get the word out. It might be the once-in-a-lifetime chance. Do not miss it. We'll see you in the next movie, and stay tuned for more news. Thanks for seeing.